Okay, let's move to the next exercise. In this exercise, like a previous exercise, we are going to study the sound of the two-letter word. In previous exercise, we have been studied the sound of the OU and OI, isn't it? In this exercise, we are going to study the sound of OY and OW. Okay, there are two process here. We want to look at the picture and tell the what picture is this, and we want to correct whether the picture sound ends with OI sound or OW sound. Okay, we want to look at the picture first. This is the first process. What is the first step? You want to look at the picture and then tell the name of the picture, and we want to see whether the picture end with OY sound or OW sound. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, let's see. This is gown, gown. Yes, ow. This is the correct spelling. G-O-W-N, gown. Okay, this is, what is this? Yes, this is cow. Very good. The cow gives, what is this? The cow gives milk. Very good. Let's write the spelling for the cow. C-O-W. Okay, cow. You're getting a OW sound, isn't it? Let's see the next picture. This is owl. It's not an owl. It's not like exactly, but we want to little bit lighter. Owl. Okay. Spelling for owl is O-W-L. Owl. Okay, listen here. In this picture, it is a boy, isn't it? It's a boy. What is the spelling for the boy? B-O-Y, boy, isn't it? Here the two set sound letters given. The OY sounds like oi. This is ow, isn't it? Ow is oi. Okay, listen it carefully, children. One more time I am telling, listen. The OI sounds like oi. The OW sounds like ow, isn't it? So boy, oi, this is OY. Okay, let's see this. This is a toy. T-O-Y, toy, isn't it? This is a toy. Oi sound. Okay, let's see this. This is a crown. Okay, who will keep the crown? Yes, who will keep the crown? Yes, king will have the crown on his head, isn't it? Okay, let's tell the sound the crown word has. Whether it's have a oi sound or ow sound. You have to tell me. Then I'm going to put a tick. The crown, which sound the crown having? It's a oi or ow. Crow. Yes, O-W. Ow. Okay. Okay, listen it carefully, children. Here on this previous exercise, we have studied the sound of the two letter word, isn't it? OU and OI. Same like this, in this exercise, we are just studying the sound of OY and OW, isn't it? The OY always sounds like oi. Okay, and the OW sounds like ow. Okay. Did you understand what is the sounds differs between the two letter word OI and OW? Do you understand it? Okay, shall we move to the next one? Okay, super.